How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is John. I'm here today with Patrick Mini, part of the Patrick Dealer Group in Schaumburg, Illinois, and we have another awesome new Mini to show you, because this, obviously, is a 2025 MINI Cooper S Convertible. They just hit the lots. We're super excited about it. Let's talk about it. All right, the 2025 Cooper S Convertible. Now, I've absolutely loved every single other iteration of the Cooper since they've came out with this new generation. I've driven the regular one, fantastic. I've driven the S, unbelievable. I've driven the JCW, even more unbelievable, and now I'm sure I'm gonna love this Cooper S Convertible just as much as the other ones. They are just so much fun. They are some of the best handling cars I've ever driven, especially for it being a front-wheel drive, small, little, tiny, compact car. It drives unbelievably well. It's so much fun. It truly is like a go-kart or like a golf cart with 200 horsepower. It really just does feel like that. You could just play around. You could just have so much fun driving the thing. I can't say enough good things about the Cooper. If you haven't experienced one, please go drive one. Stop by Patrick Mini, take one for a spin. It's unbelievable. Now, I've already done a video going over all of the in and outs of a regular hardtop Cooper S, and the underpinnings are all gonna be the same, of course, so I'm not gonna go through every detail again. I'm mainly focusing on what the difference with the convertible is. But this particular car is in Midnight Black 2, so it's their metallic black paint, looks phenomenal. And then it also has the favored style package on it, so you get the gold accents around the front and the gold mini badges, and then you can also opt for the gold diamond cut wheel pattern, which I really, really like. It just adds to the kind of fun, sporty flair of this car. Makes it just not all black, gives it a little pop of color, and I like that they added the white mirror caps to this one too. Again, just for a little bit of fun, because you can. This particular car doesn't have it, but you can also get the soft top with the Union Jack flag printed on it. Looks really, really neat. If I were to get one myself, you'd have to get the flag top, right? Now, this interior color is called Nightshade Blue. I think it looks absolutely fantastic, and I really like it on a black car as well, because it just gives it that little extra bit of pop whenever you open up the door. And then you'll notice that the top of the doors and the dashboard are all in this kind of slate gray, kind of concrete color. Again, just more great contrast, more fun things to look at. You even have a little kind of herringbone pattern kind of printed into the dash too. But yeah, you can see that it's pretty basic, pretty similar to your standard hardtop Mini Cooper. The back seats have been moved up slightly forward, so you get a little bit less legroom in the back than in a regular Cooper, because they had to, of course, make room for the convertible top back there. And then the only other real difference you're gonna see compared to a regular hardtop Cooper S is going to be the little switch right up here at the top of the windshield, and that is gonna be your interior way to raise and lower the top. But you can also do that from the key as well, which I'll show you here. If the top is up, then you're going to hit the unlock button and hold it down. It'll drop the top. If you wanna raise it up, then you just hold down the lock button on the key. That'll raise the top. So with the convertible top, you get a bunch of extra cool kind of features too. One being when you have the top up and the windows down, including all of the windows, the back ones too, then you just get this massive side view window to get all of that open air breeze in there. It just feels great. It looks really cool in my opinion too, not having that B-pillar there. And then if you want a little bit more sun, then you can just hit the button again and it's gonna slide back to its first position. And then you get kind of just a big sunroof as well. And then of course you can put the top down all the way. So you get a bunch of different roof and window variations in the MINI Cooper S Convertible. And then last thing design-wise on the Cooper S is the tailgate, or should I say just trunk. It does fold down, and then you have a kind of mail chute kind of letterbox that you can use as a trunk in here. It's about 2 feet deep, it's about 2 feet high, and about 3.5-ish feet wide, if that helps. But you can put plenty of stuff in there. Of course, this isn't gonna be your road trip car. No one's taking this car cross-country and bringing full-size luggage everywhere. It's just not the car for that. This is your kind of have a great time on a weekend fun cruiser car. Of course, you can use it every day as well, but it still has plenty of room for a couple of bags for a weekend trip, things like that. And then you don't lose out on having to lose up all of your cargo room when you have the top down. So good packaging by Mini there, fitting a lot of room into a very little package. Pricing for the 2025 Cooper S starts at $39,600. If you want one with the upgraded trim levels and a whole bunch of accessories and kind of fun colors and all that good stuff, upgraded wheels, all that, you're going to be looking into the mid to high 40s. But it is just a ton of fun. It is just an unbelievable driving experience for that amount of money. It's going to be really hard to beat, especially with such great packaging as this one. They drive unbelievable. I think they look fantastic. They're just a lot of fun. All around awesome. I thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something as well. Hope you guys love the new Cooper S Convertible, because it is just an absolute blast. It's got so many fun little characteristics and little things that just make it a fun, enjoyable driving experience. So thank you all so much for watching. If you need any help with parts, service, or sales, make sure to reach out to the number down below. We'll be happy to help you out with whatever you need. You can also learn about the all-new Mini family, schedule servicing, a whole bunch of new stuff. So check that all out there. We'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.